Metrology is a word I didn't know growing up, but that means the science of measurement. And I think most of us have an instinctual understanding of the basics of it, even though we don't know the words that are used for it. I have read that temperature is the second most measured thing in the world, thing that we measure. And we don't think about it much, but we check the temperature outside every morning to know how to dress for the day.
That is the crux of everything, is we do measure temperature. In one way or another, we're either making systems to measure temperature. Temperature metrology is basically, temperature is a quantification of heat. And so temperature metrology is basically focusing in on how to measure that, whether it be with contact thermometry, radiation, infrared thermometry, or other methods that are out there too.
Metrology is the science of measurement. Literally blindfold yourself anywhere you are and point, and you'll be looking at something that needs metrology to work. It's like the cornerstone of everything that we do. You have to know how much of something you have in order to push science forward. Science is all about measuring things.
I usually just say, well, if you think about all of the things in the world that have to be accurate in order for things to not go terribly wrong, you know, that's a little about metrology and calibrations and comparing something of unknown accuracy to something with known accuracy.
I think metrology is important because it really does help drive the world in regards to manufacturing. And I'm thinking about metrology with calibration, that they go hand in hand, that if you are calibrating instruments, you're using metrology as well. I've had many experiences working here at Fluke, seeing how calibration impacts the world, whether it's helping develop new energy sources or improve manufacturing of, you name it, whatever, automobiles, solar panels.
Metrology, as far as I know, is the study of measurements. That's as far as I know. When I had first learned about it, I thought, why are we predicting the weather here?